So as we discussed, in the glycolytic pathway or in the EMB pathway, the reactions start with a substrate like glucose, and the end product of glycolysis happens to be pyruvate or pyruvic acid. And as we discussed, this part of the process, this part of the biochemical process takes place in the cytoplasm. The end product of glycolysis, that is pyruvate, is the starting molecule for the next process, that is TCA cycle or Krebs cycle. So Krebs cycle will start with pyruvic acid or pyruvate. Now Krebs cycle would take place in the mitochondrial matrix, that is stroma of the mitochondria. Let's get to understand how does this take place. Initially we will talk about the reactions involved in it, and later on we will discuss how they are connected in a cycle. Okay, this is the end product of glycolysis or EMP pathway, that is pyruvic acid or pyruvate. Now pyruvate would be entering the Krebs cycle. That is, before it enters the Krebs cycle, it is acted upon by pyruvate dehydrogenase. The pyruvate is acted upon by an enzyme, pyruvate dehydrogenase, and in this process a coenzyme A is involved. Now coenzyme A or coenzyme is a molecule which, unlike an enzyme, gets involved in the reaction and binds itself to another molecule and can be released back at some other stage. So this is where a coenzyme A gets involved, and in the presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase, it reacts with pyruvate to give rise to acetyl coenzyme A. This is acetyl coenzyme A. So pyruvate would react with pyruvate dehydrogenase, coenzyme A would get involved in the process, and the end product will be acetyl coenzyme A. Now in the dehydrogenation process, the hydrogen which is given out, it is picked up by NAD, nicotinamide adenine